Hello guys, myself Rishikesh. Welcome to my channel. If you didn't watch part 1 to part 4 of the life process, please make sure you have watched. Okay, now let's watch the part 5, that is life process, that is nutrition in human beings. Friends, the alimentary canal has enzymes, that is biocatalysts. That is what is now alimentary canal means what? Alimentary canal means human digestive system. It contains buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, liver, bile duct, and many more. And this is the system where food is breakdown. Okay, now let's study one by one. What is salivary amylase? It is containing in saliva. Okay, the when we take food, the saliva is mixed in the food, and the salivary amylase breaks down the starch into simpler sugars. That sugar is nothing but maltose. The lining of the canal has muscles that contract rhythmically in order to push the food. Here they have some muscles which help in movement of food from buccal cavity to anus, from here to here. Okay, from mouth the food is taken into the stomach through food pipe. It says that from the food is taken from buccal cavity to stomach by the help of food pipe, that is esophagus, or you can say it as food pipe. Food pipe. The digestion of the function are taken care by the gastric present in the wall of the stomach. So the stomach contains gastric juices, that is nothing but hydrochloric acid and mucous membrane in the inner lining of stomach, so to not damage the stomach, and pepsin enzyme which break down protein into amino acids. So now let's go to the next slide. The exit of the food from the stomach is regulated by sphincter muscles. So after the breakdown of protein in stomach, the food gets settled here, and there are the sphincter muscles here. Okay, if you can't see clearly, I'll show you here. In this part there are sphincter muscles which help in opening and closing of the stomach for entering to the small intestine. Food now goes to the small intestine. They are break down into uh, carbohydrates is break down into glucose and one minute. Carbohydrate is break down into glucose, protein into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids, and even glycerol glycerol. Bile. So now let's study. It receives the secretion of liver, pancreas. For this purpose, as I said, the pancreas and even small intestinal juices, that is in small intestine, they also contain some enzymes called intestinal juice which digest these three minerals. Okay, now let's study detail. And bile juice. What is bile juice? Bile juice are secreted by liver and it is stored in gallbladder, and this helps in breaking down the larger globules of fat into smaller globules. And why we need alkaline solution? We need alkaline solution to make the hydrochloric acid, that is here the acid in the gastric glands, to be neutralized to enter the small intestine. So we need alkaline solution to neutralize it, or else the small intestine gets damaged. Okay, the pancreas secretes a pancreatic juice, as I said before, and they have an enzyme called trypsin. and they have trypsin enzyme here. Trypsin. Stomach have pepsin, and pancreas have trypsin. Trypsin help in digestion of, not digestion, it emulsifies the fats. The small walls of small intestine contain glands called which secrete intestinal juices. The small intestine internal coat has some glands which secrete intestinal juices which help in the breakdown of the carbohydrates into glucose. As I said before, here glucose into carbohydrates by glucose, protein to amino acids, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous fingers-like projection called villi. So small intestine has small projections like this everywhere in the small intestine, which help in absorption of food and increasing the surface area. And some of the food doesn't get absorbed here, so they enter large intestine where they have more number of villi which absorb the digested food and even the water here, and it gets stored here in the rectum. It is not labeled in the diagram, so I'll label it here. This is rectum, so I put yellow color. Okay, rectum here. Okay, and here is the rectum. Okay, it is removed from the anus, and that is the undigested food is removed from anus. Okay, this is the all about part 5 of life process. Hope you have enjoyed. Please like, share and comment. Thank you guys.